Hey everybody, Payments Professor here, and it is day 3 of NYCE. Actually, everything's wrapping up now, and wow, what a day it is. You can even see the boxes here. We're getting everything packed up because, well, we've got a lot of knowledge that has been just thrown around here. The sessions I've been at today really blew my mind. One of them that caught my attention, we're going to have future videos on, was careers in treasury management. There was a group of panelists that were up there that have got, probably I'd say 100 years experience between them. And they talked about what were the things that they did to be able to advance their careers and what you can do to be able to advance your career too. So if you're looking for a career in treasury management, you're going to definitely have to be looking out for that video. And we just attended a session that was on, the disruptors, about the trends and what's happening in payments now and all the things that we're seeing in the future. I mean, was there anything else that stuck out today in your mind?
Well, this is the 37th year of the New York Cash Exchange, and we had 65 sessions. And every one that I went to and attended, I'm the conference chair, and every session that I went to was fantastic. The career one, that was something that I've been asking for, to find a panel on that every single year. So I'm happy that we did one this year.
Oh, it was standing room only too.
Yeah, no, it's great. People love talking about their career in the future and how can this all benefit me, right? And we're happy that everyone was here. We're happy that you came, and we're looking forward to the 38th year next year in 2020.
Wow, and I got to tell you, New York Cash Exchange next year in 2020. Folks, 65 sessions this year. Most of the sessions I went to today, you had standing room only. And if you've been to a conference before, you know on day 3, it's not always like that. That tells you how big of a draw a lot of these sessions were. Now, if you got any questions, you got any comments, you can always go to the Team Manny website. What is that?
teammanny.org. Or you can find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.
All right.
And one of us on the board will respond very quickly to you.
And if you're unable to find them, you can of course find the Treasury Whisperer. We know he's going to be out there. Or you can message me, put something in the comments below. I'll make sure to get you in touch with them. Folks, look forward to seeing you in future videos, and look ahead because we're going to see a bunch of videos coming out from everything I learned from NYCE. Thank you.